Bedtime for GB and Henry. Yes? Are you off to bedtime? Yes? Come on. Let's go to bed.
No.
Huh? No? Let's go to bed. It's bedtime now. Come on. No? You don't want to sleep with Henry? Bedtime.
No.
Are you cleaning the bed? You done? Let's get some sleep now, yeah?
No.
No?
It does.
GB will sleep after cleaning, yes? You want to turn it on or no?
No.
No? Okay. Are you cleaning room or you want to clean the bed? You want to clean the floor?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Are you tired now? Yes? Shall we get some sleep? Yes? Okay, let's get some sleep now.